Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.